Well, a very pleasant good morning, everyone, and welcome into your weather update this morning on KOXC.com and the KOXC 101.3 and KOXC KBWD Facebook pages. Well, I'm going to go to radar and start with XRAD 3D radar this morning and have a look at what's out there. Nothing here locally, but as we go out to the hurricane portion of my presentation this morning, I want to bring you up to date on the big weather story, and that is Hurricane Delta. That is right now a Category 3 hurricane, maximum winds of 115 miles per hour just over the Yucatan Peninsula, bringing quite a bit of damage as you might expect there. Now the eventual path is going to take it into the central coast of Louisiana, as it looks like right now, and this is going to be Friday night or into Saturday. But the area from Lafayette to Baton Rouge seems to be the center of the path right now. Of course, the cone of uncertainty extends as far west as near Beaumont, Port Arthur, and as far east as New Orleans, and eventually Delta will make a turn and go out into the central portion of Tennessee and up into Kentucky. But again, no impact here locally. We have some warm days ahead, and I'll talk more about that coming up next.
I'll take a grande, no foam, triple cap, double pump vanilla latte with 3.5 ice cubes, slightly shaken, extra whip.
Yeah, that's going to be an upcharge.
Great! This one is on my Kasasa cashback checking account. Kasasa pays me cash back on everyday debit card purchases, plus refunds on ATM withdrawal fees. Go on, take back banking and treat yourself to monthly cash rewards.
Visit firstcentralcu.com.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Here's a look at our weather headlines. Warmer than average high temperatures. Average at this time of year is around 80 degrees, and you'll see in the 7-day forecast it'll be well above that, especially this weekend. But at least the overnight lows are pleasant. Hurricane Delta, no impact here in our area. Kind of a cool start this morning. It's 57 degrees. The wind is calm. Humidity 94%. All of this out at the Brownwood Regional Airport. Barometer steady from 30.05. Downtown Brownwood, 61 degrees. Here at the radio station, Brady at 64. San Angelo, 54. Coleman coming in at 59. Comanche and Stephenville, both identical, 61 degrees. And in Lampasas at 60. Burnett's coming in at 59 for this morning. There's an air quality problem, ozone issue over in the Metroplex, so they have air quality alerts out that way. As far as regional satellite and radar is concerned, not too much happening. As you can see, hardly any clouds of any significance across the Lone Star State at this time. Nationally, one big upper level low going across the Great Lakes. That's where the most active weather is, and we're just starting to see some of the clouds associated with the hurricane that is right now. The eye is right on the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. It's going to get back out into the Gulf of Mexico. Very favorable for strengthening. It's a 3 now. Becomes a 2 on the other side of the Yucatan, becomes a 4 by tomorrow, most likely, in the central Gulf, and then heads into Louisiana, and probably as a Category 3 is the current projection from the National Hurricane Center as a Cat 3 when it makes landfall going into the weekend. So there is Delta, there's the center track, and you saw just a moment ago where it's anticipated to go as we go into the weekend. Cool temperatures in the Mountain West, mild temperatures everywhere else in the country, so nothing too hot or too cold anywhere. 89 here today, mostly sunny skies, and that is well above normal. 80 our normal high. Not too much wind. It'll be from the southwest. Tonight back down to 59 degrees. Clear skies and cool conditions. And tomorrow looking about the same. We're going to be warm again, about 87 degrees. Some sun, maybe a few clouds. Southeast wind 5 to 15. I wished I had better news in terms of rainfall, but as you look at the next 7 days, none of those clouds at the top of the graphic there showing any kind of rain coming from them. It'll be clear the majority of the time. Look how hot it gets Saturday and Sunday. 95 degrees both days this weekend. Our next front's coming in Monday, 85, and then we get back to normal by Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. That's your weather update for this morning. Thank you very much for watching.